That's not bad, hey? Right. Good day, guys. Welcome back to GPX Adventure with a new motorcycle and a new location. I am no longer in Sydney. So these past few months, there's no update as well. My laptop's been broken and I've been traveling around the world. Went to Mexico and Singapore. Well, technically it's still around the world. So, I don't have any formal introduction of this DR650 yet. But so far it's been great. I've done a few stupid stuff to it as well. But the reviews, I'll probably do review once I hit 4,000 clicks. Okay, 4,000 kilometers. And what I'm doing right now is I'm going to the mechanic and then change the tire. I've been neglecting my rear tire and it's really bad right now. What I've got is only 1% left on the thread. And that's much about it. It's a beautiful place in it, Port Douglas. It's in the far north Queensland. That's not bad, hey? That's not bad, hey? God dang it. My whole leg's wet. My butt's wet as well. Well, now it's stopped raining. It rains harder when I'm riding off. Weather, you bastard. Because I'm recording with my phone instead of straight away with my camera. I just got no mic yet. Just want to buy it. Like, I'll waste some money if I can do it manually. Thing is, I can separate my audio and the background noises, which is better. I have more control over it, you know. This is definitely not 30%. Ah, this is a bit tricky. Gotta slow down. My phone's back. Yeah, just gonna stop somewhere first. Let the rain cool down. I'm gonna call Crane Honda as well. Oh, damn it! Oh, drenched! Ah, bollocks! Look at that! That guy's drenched as well. I don't know, should I get a new pants on the way back? Why do I trust the weather guide? Maybe I should go home. Fuck, I don't know. What the hell should I do now? It's raining hard. Fuck. It's like where I'm at now is the same distance to Cairns that way, and the same distance if I go back home that way. Yeah, I'll just get new pens, is it? That's the only thing that I can do right now. Right, I can't do anything anyway. So I'll just get it on. Oh, bollocks. I know my butt's gonna get wet. Yeah, just gotta buy new pens. Get some Target for $10. just hoping I don't drop the bike. And that side's fucking soaked. Good. Gonna do this thing slowly. Oh, it's clearing up! Fuck! And the rain stopped. Oh my god. What a pain in the ass. Ah, curses. There goes the blue sky. Boy, it's raining. What's the point of this? What's the point of this? Oh, and now the road's dry. Oh, the dog jumped on me. Holy hell. Wow. I'm not sure if we're gonna hear a bark, but it was loud. Pants dry now. My boots. Boots in dry. Please don't rain. Please don't rain. It says 30%. Oh god. Yeah, let's cancel that. We get that. Do a U-turn. Oh my god, butt's wet. Wait, I'm gonna stop recording here first.